Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Today I just want to film this quick unboxing video. So this is a new addition to my collection. It's a vintage item that I've been looking for a while. So this one came from Japan. I order a lot of my vintage items from Japan because they have a very strict regulation regarding designer handbag. So it's when you order something, a vintage bag from Japan, it's pretty safe, and you can be pretty certain that the item that you receive is authentic. So I'm so excited. I've been looking for this for a while, and I just wanted to make sure that I receive the bag in really good condition. So here we go. It looks like this is the bottom. It's really well packaged. Let's put the box away and remove this plastic bag. Didn't come with a dust bag or anything because it's a vintage item, but it's very well packaged. You can probably tell what it is by looking at the shape, right? If you've been following me. Here we go. It's Trouville Multicolor Noir. I've been looking for it for a long time. And I wanted to get a color palette that had green, red, and pink. I'm not so crazy about this color, but I love this pink, blue, and red combination. So I've been looking for the one that is in great condition, and also have the color palette that I liked. So I'm very, very happy with this color combination. Well, except this one, or except this one. I'm not so crazy about this one, but I love this green color. So it looks like it's in really good condition. There's some patina, honey patina on the handle, and there's some minor watermarks here. Let's look at the zipper. I mean, it's a vintage bag, so the zipper is not super smooth. But that's okay. Let's take a look at the hardware. There's not so much scratches, so that's really good. The hardware looks really good. Front pocket. The inside looks very clean. There is some minor pen marks on the bottom. I don't know if you can see, like right there on the bottom, but you can barely tell. So yeah, this is, let's see if the camera will focus. Maybe not. Focus. It won't focus. But anyway, it's made in France, and then the date code is somewhere here. Where is date code? I think it's somewhere in here if I can find it. Should be in here. Yes, it's right here. So this was made in, the camera probably won't focus here, but it's made in 2004. So this bag is 16 years old, almost 17 years old. So for a bag that is 17 years old, it's in really, really good condition. So if you've been following me, that you know that I have this multicolor Trouville in white, and I absolutely adore this bag. So this bag is also 17 years old. So now I have a complete set of Trouville. So I'm very, very happy. Oh, I'm so excited. Isn't this gorgeous? I mean, I know some people think that these bags, these multicolor bags are hideous, and I'm aware of it, but honestly, I love them. So I'm very, very excited to have this matching set here. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and if you like this kind of content, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.